Hello everyone,
Welcome to our
podcast.
Before we start, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Hadijah Al-Hasan with last name 21 and this is my partner.
My name is Risma Wahdania with last name 07.
We are students at
UIN Sultan Maulana Hasanuddin Banten.
Today we will make a podcast as part of our assessment for the public speaking course. Through this podcast, we will discuss an interesting topic and share some valuable insight with our audience. So let's begin our podcast and make sure you watch this video until the end. Hello everyone and welcome back to our podcast. And today we have a very special guest joining us. They have a lot of experience and interesting stories to share about our topic today. We are excited to hear their insight and learn from their journey. Now, without further ado, let's welcome our guest to the podcast. Okay, thank you for joining us today. Could you please introduce yourself to our listener?
Hello, thank you for inviting me. My name is Risma Wahdania and I'm student in UIN Sultan Maulana Hasanuddin Banten.
Great! Today we are going to talk about social media and its impact on teenagers. First of all, do you use social media every day?
Yes, I do. I usually use Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp to communicate with friends and watching video.
Okay, how much time do you spend on social media every day?
Maybe 3 to 5 hours a day. Sometimes more than I have free time.
That's quite a lot. In your opinion, what are the benefits of social media?
I think social media help us to stay connected with friends and family. It also allows us to learn new things and keep up with current trend and information.
That's true, but are there any negative effects?
Of course, spending too much time on social media can be distracting. Sometimes people compare themselves on other online, which affect their confidence.
I agree. Do you think teenagers should limit their screen time?
Yes, I do. Social media is useful, but it's important to balance it with study, exercising, and spending time with friends and family.
That's a very good point. Before we end this podcast, what advice would you give to teenagers about using social media?
My advice is to use social media is wisely. Don't believe everything you see online, and remember to spending time on activity in the real world too.
Okay, thank you for sharing your thought with us today.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
And thank you to everyone who listened to our podcast. See you next time.
Goodbye.